In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a profile picture in Zoom. This guide is perfect if you're looking to personalize your Zoom account with a photo that represents you. A profile picture can help make your online presence more personable and genuine, especially during remote meetings. To get started, you'll first want to open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Zoom website. Once there, you'll see the Sign In option at the top right corner. Click on that, and then enter your Zoom credentials to log into your account. After successfully signing in, you'll find yourself on the main account screen. Look towards the left-hand side where a column of navigation options is located. From this list, click on Profile to head into your profile settings. Here, you'll find space for your profile picture. You'll notice a gray icon that's where your picture will appear. Next to it, there should be a Change button. Clicking on this will prompt Zoom to open a new window where you'll be given the choice to upload a photo. Click on Upload to begin browsing your computer files for the picture you want to use. Make sure your chosen picture clearly displays your face for easy identification, and also remember that Zoom accepts common image formats like JPEG, PNG, and GIF. You might need to adjust the screen to view all your file options. Once you've located and selected the picture you want to use, double-click it or press Open to upload it to Zoom. Once the image appears, you may be given options to adjust the cropping. Use the drag and crop tool to focus on the parts of the picture you want displayed. Getting the frame just right ensures your face is centered and visible. After adjusting, simply click Save, and Zoom will process your image. Upon processing, your new profile picture replaces the previous icon. You can return to this section anytime you wish to update or change your picture in the future. This customization not only adds personality to your Zoom interactions but also helps participants in your meetings put a face to your name, fostering better communication and connection. If you find your picture doesn't appear during meetings, check your video settings to ensure your video is turned off, as the profile picture only displays when your camera is off. And there you have it, a personalized profile picture on Zoom in just a few simple steps. Thanks for tuning in, and don't hesitate to reach out with any questions. Happy Zooming!